if I had said, I'm leaving the ANC, I think I would be not telling the truth about the organization I have taken a decision to die for. And I could not just imagine, say, I'm starting this organization out of nowhere and say nothing about what are the reasons.
Yes.
The reasons were that this organization was being killed by some people. And I was not saying the policies of the ANC were wrong, no. In other words, I was saying those who are supposed to implement the policies were no longer implementing those policies. And that's why I use the word, our establishing this organization is to take over the country and therefore rescue the policies of the ANC so that we are able to deal with what we had put as the policies that we were ready to die for, to liberate our people. And that was the way.
No,
And that's why I said to rescue the ANC. In other words, to rescue our people from being sold out by people who took a vow to defend them, to free them.